Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you do enjoy the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing if you'd like to see similar videos or anything that I post. And also please let me know what you think about this, if you agree with me or not. Notice how when Utando Nestemo started, all the wives were singing Musa's praises. They talked about how good and available a father he is. They sold the narrative that the polygamy was a dream. It was a fairy tale, and for the first 3 seasons, this all showed in how they treated Musa, in how they acted around each other. And at some point, women wanted to be part of that stemble. Musa was the new people's Beisana for old and young women until he wasn't. I think it was Mayeni who started to show us bit by bit that he is not who we think he is. He was controlling, lacked accountability, and from there on, the cracks kept showing up. And some of us didn't want to believe Mayeni because Musa had his protector. He had Makumalo, who was a shield, who was an original pygmy for the onset, but we didn't see it at the time. Makumalo protected that man like her life depended on it. She worshipped him, and if you asked me, she thought she was an exception to the rule, but she wasn't. And as the season came and went, Musa showed Makumalo exactly what he thought she was to him. To him, she was just a minister of finance, a doormat who would take any of his crap, someone who will protect him at all costs. And on the other hand, Mayeni has always called out Musa's BS. She has always been the one person out of all the wives who would stay with Musa all her life and still come out unscathed. She knew and knows what she married. She has always known the kind of narcissist he is and always will be. She might love Musa, but she is not deluded into thinking that Musa will ever love her the way she deserves. She is clearly staying for a reason, for reasons known only by her. And it's not because she thinks Babaka loves the woman she is. And out of all the wives, she doesn't respect Musa. She doesn't worship the crown that Musa walks on. And on top of that, I think that is why she became Bumelolo's mom, because Bumelolo is just like his father. They are both the same. They are cut from the same cloth, and she's not afraid to tell them that. She's not afraid to put them in their place as they deserve, and she treats them exactly. If they treat her bad, she takes it back right to them. She agabancenyi basically, and that is exactly what those two men need in their lives. While she might be the one wife who Musa deserves, it does not mean that she won't get hurt by him. He needs someone who won't make life easy for him. He needs someone who's gonna call him out on his BS. He needs someone who's not gonna say how high the moment he says jump. He needs someone who's gonna keep him accountable and won't take his BS and won't take his abuse for anything, for whatever money or whatever. Laugh at him when it needs to be done, and all of those things. He needs someone who's not going to live solely according to his rules. And for me, that is Mayeni. She is that wife. She was supposed to be the first wife. I think everything else would have been avoided in this family. She is a real one for this. She is a real one for keeping Musa accountable. She's a real one for keeping Musa on his toes, because he is. He is on his toes. And she literally does not have sex with him when he wants to. Let me know what you think about it. Do you think Mayeni is like the one wife that Musa deserves solely for keeping him in check, for basically making him live the way that he is gonna make her live, instead live her life, instead of tiptoeing around him and praising him when he doesn't need to be praised? And what are you guys thinking? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next video.